Hey guys, so today I have a really quick video for you guys. I thought it would be a fun idea to test out this Munchkin baby bottle drying rack that I've seen a lot of creators use to double stuff their balloons. Now I've been using a unsharpened pencil up until this point, but I thought it would just be a fun idea to kind of check it out and see what the hype is all about. So it's really easy to set up. You just pop up these racks. It has 4 rows on the tray, and I really like this because you can pop them back down when you're done, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I did a couple of test runs and I'm not very pleased with it. It wasn't really comfortable for me to use. I don't know, maybe my nails are too long, maybe I'm not doing it right, maybe you're not supposed to use all 4 rows at the same time, but then again, why get it in the first place if that's not what you're supposed to do with it? So if I'm using it wrong, please let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna keep using this because I have a booking this weekend that I have to double stuff a lot of balloons for. So I'm just gonna keep playing with it, seeing if I figure out what way is best to use it, and then I will let you guys know. I will link this in my bio in the meantime if you want to buy it already to try it out, and then I'll let you guys know if and when I figure it out. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so it's a couple of days later and I am here with an update on this baby bottle drying rack hack for double stuffing your balloons. Now, as you can see here, I'm still struggling quite a bit, but I was thinking about how I usually double stuff with a pencil and that I like to tug on the balloon to get some of the air out so that it's easier to put the second balloon on top. So that is basically just what I started doing. I'm gonna start tugging at the end of the balloons, as you can see me doing right here, and then placing the mouth of the second balloon on top and then just pulling on it with 2 hands, and that works really good. I'm also just using 1 row so that I can do 4 at a time and the other rows are not in the way, and it was going super fast, as you can see here. So update, I do like it now. It just took some getting used to and figuring out. So let me know if you're gonna try it, and I hope that helps.